Alright, now that we have our application ready, I'm going to close this because right now we are going to set up our application through CocoaPods. So this is my project folder. I'm going to put it here. We are going to put the pod file in our project. In order to do this, I'm going to terminal, saying cd desktop, and cd stands for change directory. And when you are typing let's say the desktop, if you type the few words of it and just hit the tab, it will autocomplete unless you don't have exactly same name file. Now we are in desktop directory. I'm going to say cd again, and we need our QuickChat 2.0. So let's say quick. So if I tap the tab key right now, and it autofills for me. So it says QuickChat 2.0, correct. We hit enter, and right now we are in our folder directory. So if I say ls, which is listing the directory thing, it shows what kind of files I have in my folder. So in order to create a pod file, I'm going to say pod init, and this will create a pod file for us. So here, as you can see in my folder, I have a pod file. So if I double click on it, this pod file will open. Currently it's opening in my text editor. So right now I'm going to put the pods that I'm going to use. So first of all, I'm going to comment out use frameworks. I'm going to put some spaces here. We're not using the down below parts, the target, the QuickChat test or UI test. We are using the target QuickChat 2.0. And here I'm going to copy and paste my pods. When you are putting the pod file, make sure these brackets are straight, because sometimes when you're putting this bracket, it's under the angle, and is not exactly same thing as the straight brackets, and the pods will not work. So what we are going to use? We are using the JSQ message view controller. This is a third-party iOS-like chat view controller. Then we are using the IDM photo browser, which will help us to view our images. Firebase to save our chats. Backendless for our users, and push IQ audio recorder controller. This one we are going to use for sending audio messages. And sync RTC, this one will be used for call function. So save the pod file, Command S or file save, close it, close the folder as well. Let's go back to our terminal, and now we can say pod install, hit enter, and this will analyze the dependencies, and it will generate the pods for us. Right, looks like it finished. Took quite a few seconds, usually it takes longer. But let's close our terminal, open our project folder again, and as you can see now, instead of our QuickChat 2.0 Xcode project, we have also Xcode workspace. From now on, we are going to use the workspace to get into our project.